Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some quick and easy hairstyles that you can do with your synthetic wig or just any wig that you have, sis. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, lovely. So this first hairstyle right here is for my girls that don't want to do too much, but you want a little bit of pizzazz to your hairstyle. So the first thing that I'm doing is taking my rat tail comb to part out two thin sections of hair in the front to kind of give me like a bang effect. And then I'm going to take a wider section, about 1 to 2 inches, to do two plaits or braids in the front of the hair. And you guys, this is going to give just a little bit of detailed to your body wave hairstyle. And to secure the plaits, I am just going to use a rubber band at the ends. And notice how I didn't braid the hair all the way down to the end, just so that way it can still blend in with the rest of the hair and kind of give you that nice little detail. So this is hairstyle number 1, our body wave with a twist. And you all already know I am here for the 2-in-1 hairstyles, baby. So I'm just taking those two plaits and simply crossing them over in the back portion of my head. And I'm just using some bobby pins or hairpins to secure those in place. And you basically just want to make sure that you use enough pins so that way the hair is staying in place. And voila, there you have it, a 2-in-1 hairstyle with the accent braids. All right, y'all, so now we're moving on to hairstyle number 2 or 3 with the classic half up, half down. You guys, we just don't have time to be spending 50 hours on the hairstyles in 2023, okay? So this one is definitely one of my favorite go-tos when it comes to styling my units. And you guys definitely want to make sure that you add a cute scrunchie or a hair tie to accent this look. And did I mention that these hairstyles were quick and easy, sis? So the next hairstyle, I'm just going to take my rat tail comb just to kind of fix up my side part. And I'm taking that front section of hair and smoothing it with my rat tail comb. And I'm going to place this section behind my ear. You guys, this hairstyle is perfect for those business meetings, or if you're going to have a nice dinner date or just a self-care date by yourself. So this is literally one of my favorite hairstyles as well, because you can literally dress this look up or down with some hair accessories. So this is hairstyle number 4. And you know your girl got you with the 2-in-1 hairstyles. So if you weren't feeling the long and flowy, you can definitely add a hair scrunchie or hair tie to smooth this into a low ponytail. You guys, it's something about that low ponytail and side part combination. Let me know down below in the comments, do you like your low ponytail with a side part or a middle part or a bang, sis? And you guys, to definitely make this look pop, you just want to take an extra piece of hair from the ponytail to wrap it around your ponytail holder, and voila, you are ready to step out for the day, the night, or the weekend, sis, whatever one. Okay, lovely. So now we're moving on to the next hairstyle. I decided to just keep that bang out from the previous hairstyle, and I'm going to put my hair up into a half up, half down. I think this is literally my favorite hairstyle out of the whole entire series with this look. But definitely let me know down below in the comments which one of these hairstyles was your favorite, and definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this hairstyling tutorial. And you guys already know we coming through with the 2-in-1 hairstyles. So you can definitely make this a more elegant nighttime look by just simply twisting that top ponytail into a bun. And all you need to secure that in place is a couple of bobby pins. And now you have another 2-in-1 hairstyle. All right, y'all. So this next hairstyle, I was struggling. Not struggling, I was struggling, as you guys can see, trying to get all of this hair up into a high ponytail. So I still decided to keep my bang out because I was just feeling this bang-ang. I was feeling the bang-ang. And I'm basically putting the hair up into a nice, loose, messy, high ponytail. And you guys, here I'm showing you how to conceal the back of your wig if you want to wear it up in a ponytail. So I'm simply just taking bobby pins and maneuvering the hair to cover up that band at the bottom of the wig, so it looks like it's growing out of my hair. And you guys already know 2-in-1 hairstyle queen is me. So we are definitely wrapping this final look up into a bun. And I don't know, maybe this one was my favorite hairstyle. I don't know, you guys, but let me know down below in the comments which one of these hairstyles would you try out yourself. All right, y'all, so that is all that I have for this quick and easy hairstyling video. I hope that you guys really did enjoy this video and learn something new. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and of course share this video with your friends so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.